In this video, I'll be breaking down the Harmony blockchain, which is scalable, decentralized, and secure. And most importantly, it is not a fork or a carbon copy of another smart contract blockchain. It was built from the ground up. I'll also be taking a deep dive into the one coin, which is the main transactional settlement of the Harmony blockchain. We'll be looking at the tokenomics, and I will also be sharing with you my price prediction for the one coin for this year of 2021. So without further ado, let's get right into the video and let the gains be with you. Welcome to Crypto Empire. My name is Connor, and this is where we dominate the crypto markets. So if you want to dominate with us, be sure to subscribe to the channel right now and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. So as we can see, Harmony 1 is trading at 7.3 cents with a market cap of $758 million. It is currently ranked number 90 in market cap. And we can see right here that Harmony has a circulating supply of 10.3 billion one coins at this moment in time. We're going to be getting into the tokenomics in just 1 second, so make sure that you do stick with me until the very end of this video. So Harmony 1, or Harmony the blockchain, was founded in 2018 by Stephen C. And Stephen actually has a doctorate degree in cryptography, and he also worked as a software engineer for Apple, Google, and Microsoft. So Stephen has built up a reputation and a resume for himself, and he is very well known in the Silicon Valley tech community. So it's always good to see that the founder of a cryptocurrency is competent in the industry that he's actually working in. So also in regards to Harmony, like I said before, it aims to be decentralized and scalable, and they do this by using an effective proof of stake consensus mechanism. We'll be getting into that in just 1 second. But Harmony uses sharding in their blockchain. And if you don't know what sharding is, basically it means that one blockchain is split into many different blockchains, and it can handle more transactions per second that way at scale. So right now with the beacon chain, it has 3 other shards, putting together 4 shards in total, and each one of these shards can handle 500 transactions per second they can process. So altogether at this moment in time, Harmony can process about 2,000 transactions per second, and this number will also be increasing as more shards are added. We can also see on the Harmony website that the transaction finality time is 2 seconds. So that is lightning quick. And also I will add the fees are very low as well. And if we look at that compared to Ethereum, even Ethereum 2.0, it is much faster and much less expensive. We can also look at it compared to Cosmos and Polkadot, faster than those as well. So it does give these other smart contract blockchains a run for its money for sure. And also in regards to the effective proof of stake consensus mechanism, we can see right here, basically how that does work is if you're running a node, or a validator node, basically you will randomly get assigned to one of the 4 shards. And if you start to delegate too much one coins to that particular staking pool, basically your rewards will get lower because it wants to make sure that the network is decentralized and that one validator isn't dominating the network. So that is automatically built into the code. That is amazing to see because it needs to stay decentralized. So with the effective proof of stake consensus mechanism, that does mean that you can go ahead and stake your one coins if you do want to do that. And as we can see here, currently the reward return, if you're a delegator, which is probably what most of us will be, right? We're not going to be running our own node, is about 9.8%, and adjusted for inflation, it's about 5.33%. As we can see here, the minimum is 1,001 coins, but that is actually reduced now to 100 coins if you want to stake, which means that, you know, it's very accessible. It's not a high amount. Like 100 coins is like $7 if I'm not mistaken at this moment in time. So that's great. And also if we head on over to the staking dashboard, this is staking.harmony.one. This is where you would actually go ahead and delegate your coins to stake. Now, if you guys want to learn how to stake your one, definitely let me know by leaving a comment down below. I will happily create a staking tutorial video for Harmony 1, only if you guys do let me know that you want it, of course. So leave a comment down below. This is the dashboard. And with Harmony, you can use your MetaMask wallet. They do have their own browser extension, but most people do use MetaMask. And if you want to quickly put it into your MetaMask, you can head on over to chainlist.org. You can search one in the search network tab up here at the top, and you're going to want to pick the chain ID that is 166660 with no ones or no number at the end. So it would be this one. All you would do is hit connect wallet, and literally you would put in your password, you would hit approve for MetaMask, and you would have Harmony One, the network, in your MetaMask ready to go. I highly recommend you do that if you are bullish or you want to participate in the Harmony One blockchain. So moving on, basically what the One coins are used for, they are used to pay for transaction fees on the network. And I will mention how Harmony does have an inflation rate of about 3%. It does create 441 million One coins per year that are integrated into the network. But with that being said, all transaction fees are actually burned, and none of the fees are burned from existing circulating supply. They are only burned from the newly minted coins from inflation. So that means that Harmony will never be a deflationary blockchain, but also the inflation can be completely offset by the burning of the fees. So it does have very interesting tokenomics in that regard. And in terms of the decentralized applications on the network, they have about 40 popular decentralized applications. This is ViperSwap. This is one of the main decentralized exchanges on Harmony One. If you guys want to learn more about ViperSwap and how to add liquidity and make some kind of passive income from this platform, just let me know by leaving a comment down below. Again, I will happily make a tutorial video showing you how to do that, but only if you guys want it. So also, Harmony did actually partner up with SushiSwap, so you can access SushiSwap natively on the Harmony blockchain. And also, Harmony did partner up with Terra, which means that the Anchor protocol, which if you guys watch my video about that, you can be earning 20% about APY on your stablecoin. Well, the Anchor protocol will be launching natively on the Harmony blockchain, which means that you're not going to have to switch networks. If you are a Harmony bull, you can do everything right on the Harmony blockchain. So they are innovating, they are building, they are growing. We can take a look at their Twitter profile. They do a very good job with marketing, 195,000 followers. They're very active. If you guys want to stay up to date with the Harmony blockchain, see what they are doing, you can go ahead and follow their Twitter account. And also another great thing about Harmony is their NFT ecosystem. So they have their own marketplace called DaVinci. And as we can see here, it costs less than 1 cent with the effective proof of stake to mint an NFT. And basically this is Harmony's version of OpenSea or Rarible. We can take a look right here at the DaVinci.gallery site. And right now at this moment in time, the total sales is about 400,000 US dollars. And with NFTs becoming more and more popular, I do expect this number to continue to rise, especially this year as mass adoption does continue. So now let's talk about price and price prediction, because I'm sure that's what a lot of you guys are here for. So right now we're trading at 7.3 cents. We do have an all-time high of 22 cents, which was reached back at the end of March. We're down 67% from that high. So we definitely have a lot of room for recovery. And taking a look at the price chart, I do have these three downward sloping trend lines for Harmony One right now. And as we can see, price is respecting the trading channels. We are just kind of bouncing back and forth between these channels. So we have a lot of room to recover to the all-time high at 22 cents. Now, I'm not going to complicate this. I'm going to keep my analysis very simple. We'll take a look only on the daily time frame. Basically, if we get another market correction where we end up making a lower low past this low over here at 4.7 cents, which is unlikely in my opinion, but it definitely could happen, so be prepared. Basically, not financial advice. This is only for educational purposes only, but any dips into this area over here with these candle wick highs, I will be looking to add some Harmony One to my portfolio. So over here at about 4 cents. So realistically, what I would say is don't overcomplicate your strategy. The easiest way to invest is to dollar cost average. So if that's your strategy, I would just say to continue to allocate a certain amount every single week, every single month, every other day, whatever your strategy is, into the projects that you do want to invest in. But like I said, anything really at these lows over here, or if we break the lows in this level of demand over here at 4 to 3 cents, I'm definitely looking to add. Again, not financial advice. Now, in regards to where we can go in the future, when we do create new highs, which I definitely think will be happening this year, we can look at our Fibonacci extension levels and see we have our first main level at the 0.618 extension at 33 cents, right? 333 over here. And then the 1 extension is at 40 cents, 1.618, 51 cents, and then the 2 extension is at 57 cents. So I definitely think that at least 50 cents will be smashed this year. And one metric that I always do like to look at nowadays is this website called thecoinperspective.com, and this allows us to compare market caps in between other cryptocurrencies. So as we can see, if Harmony hit the price of Bitcoin, it would be at 843x, and that's a $637 billion market cap. Let's look at some metrics more realistic. So I have always compared for months now Harmony 1 to Matic Polygon. They do have very similar aims and goals with their projects. However, Matic is obviously a layer 2 built on top of Ethereum. Harmony 1 is its own native blockchain built from the ground up. But if Harmony 1 was to reach the market cap of Polygon Matic, which is a $6 billion market cap, that would be about a 700% gain. So about an 8x from the current price, right? And that would put us 58 cents, which is pretty close to this 2 extension level. So I do have my eyes on this level, and you might be saying, Connor, that's a pretty conservative price target. I think one's going way past $1 this year. Well, look, I'm not going to be crazy bullish in a price prediction video. Bags are packed, no doubt about that. But with that being said, I'll happily take anything over 57 cents. So Harmony is a scalable, secure, and decentralized blockchain, and I think it has a ton of room for more growth. And also the one coin I am very bullish on. I think it has a lot of upside potential. I want to hear from you though, because I did enough talking in this video. Are you bullish or bearish on Harmony 1? Leave a comment down below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure you let me know by liking the video. And if you're new to Crypto Empire, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.